You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not unmotivated. You're addicted to comfort. Every time life gets even a little bit hard, you fold, then wonder why nothing changes. You've been lying to yourself with words like, "I'll start soon. I just need to figure things out." No, you need to unfuck your life. Now. Truth 1, if you don't fix your habits, they'll ruin you. Truth 2, if you don't control your mind, it'll control you, with fear, doubt, distraction, and fake dopamine. You say you want clarity, but you scroll 5 hours a day. You say you want growth, but can't handle discomfort. You're waiting for a sign, here it is. You wake up, reach for your phone, drown in noise. Make plans you don't follow. Beat yourself up. Then repeat. You call it a phase. But this isn't a phase. This is your life. And if you don't unfuck it now, you'll blink, and a decade will be gone. Here's how to start. Stop waiting to feel ready. Action first. Clarity comes later. Do one hard thing every day, even if it sucks. Turn your phone off. Face the silence. Write your mess down. Take one uncomfortable step. Then do it again tomorrow. That's how you start to unfuck your mind. Your habits, your life. No one's coming to fix you. No reset button. No perfect moment. Just you, and the decision to stop bullshitting yourself. Unfuck your life, or stay stuck pretending it's not broken.